Hello all, welcome to iTutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with Unit 12, MMBC 006, the subsection 9. So you just refer previous videos also. It will help you for your continuation of this chapter. The channel system, that is today's topic, 12.9, subsection MMPC 006. The channel system are generally built around local situational opportunities and requirements. The channel system is the connecting link between the manufacturer and the ultimate customer of the product or service offered by the company. Therefore, the company has to very carefully consider its product mix and marketing mix as well as expectation from the channel partners. The company also consider the kind of involvement it wants in the distribution process, how much control it wants to exercise on its channel members, as well as the cost incurred in the designing of the channel. Keeping in mind all the factors, there are three kind of options available for the fame to decide upon. These are the follows: vertical marketing system. Option A, there is vertical marketing system. In vertical marketing system, a distribution channel structure in which producers, wholesalers and retailers act as a unified system. They formally agree to cooperate with each other. The responsibility of functioning of each channel member in odd by one member. And next is horizontal marketing system. In horizontal marketing system, a channel arrangements in which two or more companies at one level join together to follow a new marketing opportunity where they can combine their resources and use them optimally. These companies are generally unrelated. This technique is adopted by companies which want to minimize the risk of capital losses or want to utilize ideal manpower, or when they lack technical know-how or lack adequate marketing expertise. Next is hybrid marketing system, multi-channel distribution system in which a single firm sets up two or more marketing channel to reach one or more customer segments. As the name suggests, the company can have a mix of vertical marketing system and horizontal marketing system depending upon the area or the customer base it want to reach. And next is channel conflict. Even when a company has set up an effective distribution system, some friction may arise between the channel members or between the company and channel members. This happens generally due to conflicting business interest. There are generally three type of channel conflict. One is vertical channel conflict, and next is horizontal channel conflict and multi-channel conflict. In vertical channel conflict, it is a conflict between different levels in the same channel, and the horizontal channel, it occurs between members at the same level of the distribution channel. And multi-channel conflict, when the company select two or more channel to sell its product in the same market. Next is causes of marketing channel conflict. Role ambiguity. The uncertain act of an intermediary in a multi-channel arrangement may lead to disturbance in the channel of distribution and cause conflict among the intermediaries. Incompatible goals. When the manufacturer and the intermediaries do not share the same object, both work in different directions to meet their end, then these results in channel conflict. And marketing or strategic misalignment. Sometimes two channel partner promote the manufacturer product in a different manner, which create two different images of the same product in the consumer's mindset, which creates conflicting brand perception. And difference in market perception. The manufacturer understands of the potential market, and penetration into a specific region or territory may vary from the perception of the intermediaries, which can create conflict and reduce the intermediary interest in capturing that particular market. And change resistant. When the channel leader plan to modify the distribution channel, the intermediaries may or may not accept this channel change. This it may result in a condition of discord or non-cooperation. Improper geographic or demographic distribution. If the sales territory has a narrow consumer base and the channel leader allow many selling partners they tend to lose interest. Managing channel conflict. The conflict between channel members can be resolved in the following ways. One is mediation, arbitration, and diplomacy. To resolve a dispute, the manufacturer can adopt a strategy of intervention where a third person intervenes to create harmony. The other option is a distribution where an arbitrator listens to the argument of the parties involved in conflict and declare a decision. Co-optation, the manufacturer should hire an expert who has already gained experience in managing the channel conflict in other organization as a member of the grievance redressal committee or board of directors for addressing such conflicts. Dealer council and trade association. To handle the horizontal or vertical conflicts, the manufacturer forms a dealer council where the dealers can unanimously put up their problems and grievances in front of the channel leader. And next is superior goals. Establishing a supreme goal of the organization and aligning it with the individual goals or objectives of the channel partner may reduce the channel conflicts. Regular communication. The channel leader should take regular feedback from the channel partner through formal and informal meeting know about market trend and dynamic. In addition, the channel partner's issue and conflict can be addressed through frequent interaction. And next is legal procedure. When the conflict is critical and uncontrollable by the channel leader, the aggrieved party can seek legal action by filing a lawsuit against the accused party. Fair pricing. Most of the channel conflicts are result of the price war and therefore those can be resolved by ensuring that product have the same price in all the territories and a fair margin is given to the channel partners. Okay, then next is distribution management channel. Distribution management channel. The distribution management channel can arise from a variety of distributions. Natural distribution include severe weather event, raw material shortage, that is bad crop years, pest damage, and epidemic or pandemics. Human disruption include riots, protest, wars, and strikes. Transportation disruption include transport vehicle disrepair and maintenance downtime and accident, as well as delay flight and restrictive or new transportation regulations such as those regularly seen in trucking. Economic challenges include recessions, depressions, sudden drop or increase in consumer or market demand, new or changes in fees or complaints cost, changes in currency exchange value, and payment issues. And the next is product disruptions include product recalls, packaging issues, and quality control issues. Buyer disruptions include order changes, shipment address changes, and product return. And next is element of distribution management. These include the integral component in the distribution system. As the distribution has evolved over a period of time, new elements have also come into the system. The intervention of technology has been a great facilitator as well as disruptor in the existing flow of distribution system. The various components and elements have been classified as traditional and emerging element in the following subsections. Next is traditional elements. Supply chain. A supply chain is defined as the entire process of marketing and selling commercial goods, including every stage from the supply of material and the manufacture of the goods through to their distribution and final sale. Next is logistics. It is the business of transporting, supply, and delivering goods. Michigan State University process define logistics as activities which include transportation, warehousing, packaging, and more that move and position inventory and acknowledge its role in terms of synchronizing the supply chain. Purchase order and invoicing system. The creation of a purchase order is the first step in a business transaction. It is issued by buyer and authorizes a seller to provide a product or service at a specified price. And emerging elements. Blockchain can enable more transparent and accurate end-to-end tracking in the supply chain. Organization can digitize physical asset and create a decentralized immutable record of all transactions, making it possible to track assets from production to delivery or use by end user. And VRM, vendor relation management, is a category of business activity made possible by software tools that aim to provide customers with both independence from vendors and a better means of engaging with vendors. A CRM stands for Customer Relation Management. It is a technology tool used to manage interactions with the customers and the potential customers. IMS is an inventory management system, or inventory system is a process by which you track your goods throughout your entire supply chain from purchasing to production to end sale. It governs how you approach inventory management for your business. And WMS stand for a warehouse management system. WMS is a software solution that offers visibility into a business entire inventory and manage supply chain fulfillment operation from the distribution center to the store shelf. TMS, a transportation management system. TMS is a logistics platform that uses technology to help business plan, execute, and optimize the physical movement of goods, both incoming and outgoing, and making sure the shipment is compliant, proper documentation is available. Summary of this unit is here. Distribution is an important component of the marketing mix for an effective implementation of the marketing activities. Distribution plays an important role. The channel intermediaries, namely the wholesalers, retailers, jobbers, C&F agents, etc., facilitate the smooth movement of goods and services from the manufacturers to ultimate customers. As the marketing landscape has changed over the years, the role and responsibilities of intermediaries has also changed. Some traditional channels have graduated to modern retail concept like a hypermarket, chain stores, etc. Internet technology has been great disrupt as well as uh, enabled its better distribution. Supply chain management has evolved as a fully fledged discipline, so also customer relationship management, transport management are the evolving disciplines in this changing time. And self-assessment test is here. So there is around 7 questions. So parallelly with your assignments, you just do this self-assessment questions also. Okay, so it will help you for your term and examination. First question is, how does distribution add value to the marketing effort? Take the case of any FMCG company and explain the distribution network in urban as well as rural areas. Describe the importance of wholesalers in the distribution process. Explain with the help of suitable example from the textile industry. And the retailing landscape has changed drastically with the advent of digital age. Elucidate citing relevant examples. What are the challenges and opportunities faced by distributors in developing countries? How is the distribution system in India different from any developed nation like USA? And describe the concept of channel system. Different channel system can exist within the same company, leading to channel conflict. Explain the causes of channel conflict and suggest ways of resolution of such a conflict with a suitable example. What kind of distribution channel, or direct or indirect, would you recommend for each of these product and why? And a new toy manufacturing company is planning to launch its toy in the market and wishes to appoint retail outlet in all the major towns. What should be the criteria for selecting appropriate outlets, and specify the distinct attribute or features that the company should look for in the retail outlet? So this is about today's section. For more videos, you just do like, share and subscribe our channel. In between any doubts, you can contact at any time. Thank you so much.
i-tutor Academy presents IGNOU MBA complete syllabus coverage classes for individual students, semester-wise subject with online and flexible timing. For more details, contact on +916 238 21785.